El día de hoy vamos a hablar sobre el dinero. The amounts of money with sense. Hello guys, welcome back. Mi nombre es Señora Hanson. El día de hoy vamos a hablar sobre el dinero. The amounts of money with sense. I made a video a long time ago, but I never added the cents. And in this video, this is what we're gonna do. Now, if you want a video more in detail about money, I recommend you to go and watch this one. And if you just know all your numbers already, then this video is for you, okay? Now, follow me. We're gonna start with the $9. How do we say $9? Simple as that. $9. Let's suppose we have $22. $22. Easy, right? Another amount, last one. 144. How do we say that in Spanish? $144. Simple, right? Because we have round numbers. Now, we're going to talk about cents. Let's suppose we have an amount of $9.38. This is how we say it in English. Once again in Spanish. Es 9 con, C-O-N, means with, okay? So we say 9 con 38. Let me give you another amount. 22 with 76 cents. How do we say it? 22 con 76 centavos. Another amount. 144 with 25 cents. How do we say that? 144 con 25 centavos. Now, there is another question that I got a lot, and this is how we can answer it. Sometimes you ask me, what if we have a register that only gives us one number, one digit on the cent side? Okay, for example, 9.5. You already know in English that is $9 with 50 cents. Well, in Spanish, it's the same thing. It's 9 con 50 centavos. Even they give you the number 5 by itself, you already know that it's a 50, adding the zero on it, right? Let me give you another amount. Is 144.3. That would be 144 con 30 centavos. Okay? Alrighty, guys, this is it. If you have questions, please type them on the description. I'm gonna link the video that I just talked about it on the description too. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hasta luego.